Our world welcomes digital and online access to different tools. It starts from communication and then goes down to shopping, education, even in getting some information. It all goes online. Now it also opens its doors to business. Good thing is, anyone can access it. With a proper website, you can start your journey doing online business. In this video, we'll explore 5 websites that can help you start a profitable online business. So let's begin. The first website on our list is the 12-Minute Affiliate, created by Devin Brown, an internet marketer and successful entrepreneur. 12-Minute Affiliate is legitimate software that supports entrepreneurs with affiliate marketing. The system is simple, easy, and straightforward so that everyone, even a newbie, can follow along. This software is even viewed as a sleep sales technology, as it can make your money go up from running even when you're asleep. Let me give you the run-through of how the system works. The first step is that you create your ClickBank affiliate account by logging into the program. By having a ClickBank affiliate account through 12-Minute Affiliate, you can start promoting products and getting commissions. After that, you need to set up your autoresponder. The autoresponder is an online tool used by entrepreneurs to send an automated email to their subscribers or prospective buyers without you sending it. Aweber is the software recommended by 12-Minute Affiliate, which we'll also explore later on. The next step is to activate your funnels. The good thing about 12-Minute Affiliate is that these funnels are already available in the program. Just choose a template and you're good to go. Your last step will be getting traffic to your website. Once you're done with all of these steps, you're now close to getting your commissions from 12-Minute Affiliate. With hard work and patience, your money may run and progress even while you're asleep. The second website on our list is ClickBank. Some of you may already know ClickBank. For those who don't have ideas on how ClickBank works, then let's discuss. ClickBank is an online tool that supports entrepreneurs, digital content creators, and affiliate marketers who sell their products. It's a marketplace that's available worldwide for retail and affiliate marketing. The software works by the affiliate network. This will help subscribers in the ClickBank to promote and sell their creations such as ebooks, videos, and more, or earn commission through affiliates easily. You just need to add your products and they'll manage the consumers. ClickBank will also widen your viewers that may lead to a prospective buyer. Another good thing with ClickBank is that they'll handle the sales and checkout process. You just need to acknowledge your item is checked out and process them. Moreover, if you're an affiliate marketer, you can join ClickBank for free. Just sign up on their website, create a listing, and make traffic on your link. You can add as many products or as links as you'd like. They also pay a good amount in commission rates. On the other hand, if you're a retailer or digital content creator, you will be charged a small amount to become a seller on the platform. But don't worry, because it's a one-time activation purchase only. There's no subscription fee every month. Sounds promising, right? Join ClickBank and start your journey now. Before we proceed with our third website, we'd like to hear your thoughts on our first 2 online tools. You can put your comments down below. We'd also like to use this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to click the bell icon to be updated whenever we upload our new videos. And now let's continue. Our third online tool may help you start an online business, especially if you're new in the business industry. This program will help you. Class with Jeff is a program offered at Entry Institute, an online marketing training platform. It's designed by Jeff Lerner, an entrepreneur and an affiliate marketer specialist. The program they're offering is a series of courses about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and digital consulting that are essential if you want to start running an online business. Jeff will discuss how to transform your thinking and mindset when it comes to an online business. He'll also show you his step-by-step process on how to become the fastest millionaire, in which you can copy this procedure. It can be your startup to becoming a digital marketer. To start your class with Jeff, you need to purchase the program. Don't worry, because it's a one-time purchase only and for an affordable price. Inside the program is a 6-module video training called Entra Blueprint. Aside from the 6 lessons you get, they also add another 3 special bonuses which you can freely access. The 3 special bonuses are One-on-One Business Advisor, Awesome Life Challenge, and Entry Nation Community, which will cost so much if you purchase them separately. A good thing about this training is that they offer a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with their program. They'll also let you keep the items that you get from their program. Video Marketing Blaster. Do you make videos for your business but are having a hard time getting traffic on your content? Video Marketing Blaster may be the one you need. Video Marketing Blaster is a software that claims to help you uncover all the related keywords that people are searching for on YouTube. It'll help you find all the tags you can use and words for your descriptions that can boost traffic in your video. You can increase engagement on your channel, and it may lead to more sales. This software may be a little complicated at first, but it's still user-friendly. The software lets you know all the keywords that have the biggest potential to be shown on the top once you search for something related to your niche. After choosing your keywords, it'll generate a title and tag that'll help you boost your video. Video Marketing Blaster is known for its brand reputability and high-quality performance. It has a lot of other offers other than searching for keywords related to your niche. This software can also analyze the video performance of your competitors. They can look for strong and weak points that can be beneficial for you. It also offers a rank tracker in which it'll process your work and highlight and give you feedback on your performance. You can also get support from their multiple campaign for successful scaling. These mentioned above are only a few features of Video Marketing Blaster, and it offers a lot more. Are you now ready to launch your own profitable online business? Well, check out the description box to see the links for each website so you can start your own online business. We'd also like to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to keep you updated. And now back to our video. Our last featured website for this video is Aweber. Aweber is an email marketing application that'll help you automate an email with the help of autoresponders. Autoresponders are a big help when it comes to running an online business. It's a program that automatically answers emails sent to it. It'll cut down a lot of work that you need to do for your business. Aweber is an easy-to-use platform and has a simple interface that everyone can follow. It can make an email list and analyze your email marketing campaign. Aweber also offers an email designer that collects different designs such as pictures, brand colors, and text from different platforms to form ready-to-send email templates. Moreover, Aweber has a lot of popular features. It starts from having top-notch customer service support that you can make contact through phone, live chat, or email. It also has a feature called Blog Broadcasts, which can take your website's RSS feed and make it into e-newsletters that'll be sent automatically to your subscribers. Another edge of Aweber is the email marketing platform. Included is a new technology called AMP for Email. This new technology can make your subscribers make simple actions directly within an email. You can add dynamic content to your email marketing and make it more appealing to your recipients. Those are just a few samples of the features of Aweber. You can try to explore more of their amazing features with the help of their free plan. That concludes our video for today. We hope it helps you launch your online business and start making money online. Don't worry about investing your money in an online business, because if you use the right tool, it'll become profitable and have a great result for the future. If you want to know more about the websites, you may access them in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to keep you notified. That's enough information for today. We'll see you again right here at the ReviewTube channel.